What's cool about it? Everything. Absolutely everything is cool about it. Industrial Automation Robotics program is taking a student who knows nothing whatsoever about machinery and teaching them how to thrive in the world of automation and robotics.
So we're teaching you how to use a tool. We're teaching you how to build a mechanical drive system, hydraulic system, pneumatic systems, all the way through PLCs and robotics. The end result of this class is a multi-craft skilled technician.
When you're finished, you can be an electrician, you can be a mechanic, you can be an advanced automation robotics technician.
If I was to go to school for electricity, I would learn just about electricity. But with industrial maintenance, mechatronics, I can learn a variety of things.
I picked this specifically because I had no idea what I wanted to do. I just thought it would be cool to just kind of learn a bunch of different things. In doing so, I found out that I really enjoy maintenance. That's kind of is what I want to do. Like, it'll just help you get a better idea of like what you do want to do.
So I do want to eventually become a PLC programmer. I feel like after a few years after I worked for this field, I'll probably go back to get my degree in either advanced PLC coding or robotics.
You can see how they work and how to fix them and how to make it better if you wanted to.
You're coming in and you're learning how to run all these wire connections, look at a schematic and go from point to point to point and really ingrain that into your memory.
Everywhere you go, machine logic, machine language, automation, robotics is in everybody's house. We are in a true global market that uses these things. And these skills are always going to be in demand.
The graduates from the Industrial Automation Robotics program are the people that make things work across the nation. It's kind of the backbone of society, and they can make great money starting out.
So we have students that exit the program making anywhere from 20 to 30 and plus, just depending on where they go to work and what they're going to be doing.
Transition into work was very easy. I was exposed to a lot of different disciplines really fast to where, from my knowledge here, really accelerated me past a lot of guys that didn't have the experience that I did condensed into this classroom.
A buddy of mine told me, he's like, man, I'd go do it if I didn't have to pay for it. I said, you don't have to. I said, you can do Tennessee Reconnect and financial aid and take care of everything. I said, you can go get your diploma right now.
Zero debt. You know, what a great deal.
You're going to love it. You have a really good sense of accomplishment to see how everything is manufactured.
It was one of the best decisions I've made so far. There's no reason not to do it.